Hello friends, today we are going to see TCS Senior Test Engineer interview questions. So without wasting time, let's get started. First, manual testing questions. And our first question is, have you worked in Agile methodology? Explain it. Then, explain the points you consider while writing a good test case. What is the bug life cycle? Fourth question, difference between test scenario versus test case. Next, difference between functional versus non-functional testing. Next, difference between smoke and sanity testing. What is SDLC in software testing? Next question, difference between alpha and beta testing. How many tests have you automated in a single sprint? How do you decide which test cases is automate? Which test cases would you not automate? Is 100% automation possible? Important things to consider when logging a bug. Next question, where do you write your test cases? In Excel or some other tool? Next, automation testing interview questions. And our first question is, difference between implicit and explicit weights. Ask to share screen and write XPath for a given element. Use of actions class and select class. Explain your roles and responsibilities. Exceptions faced while working with Selenium. Give 5 examples. OOPS concepts: inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism. How to handle alerts in Selenium. Write Selenium code to take a screenshot. What is priority in TestNG? Reports used in your framework. Difference between scenario versus scenario outline in Cucumber BDD. Explain the framework you are working on. What are tags in Cucumber? How do you manage test data in your framework? Abstract class versus interface. Write Java code to reverse a string and perform array manipulation. Questions from HashMap, HashSet. Difference between array and array list. What is collection in Java? Why is string immutable in Java? Difference between collection and collections. Difference between string buffer and string builder. Difference between put versus patch request. API status codes difference 400, 401, 201, 200, etc. Basic GitHub commands: git add, git commit, git difference.